When people talk about an AI stack, they just mean a group of smart tools powered by artificial intelligence that help run a business. These tools work together, forming a digital backbone that supports everything from daily operations to long-term strategy. Think of an AI stack like a team of robots that handle different jobs for you. Each robot is designed for a specific task, and together, they make your business more efficient and productive. Each tool in the stack does something special, like talking to customers, finding new leads, or making sense of data. Some tools automate repetitive tasks, while others provide insights that help you make smarter decisions. As an entrepreneur, this stack can save you time, money, and even stress. It frees you up to focus on growing your business, instead of getting bogged down in routine work. AI might sound complicated, but it's really just about letting computers do what they're good at. Fast calculations, learning patterns, and making suggestions. These systems are designed to handle complexity so you don't have to. When you pick the right AI stack, you set up your business to run smoother and smarter. The right combination of tools can automate your workflow, reduce errors, and help your team collaborate better. You get more done in less time, and you can focus on the big picture. Instead of juggling endless tasks, you can concentrate on innovation and strategy. In 2026, AI tools are easier to use than ever before. You don't need to be a tech expert. Most platforms are designed for everyday users, with simple interfaces and helpful guides. Most tools come with simple dashboards and work out of the box. If you can use a smartphone, you can use these AI tools. They're built to be intuitive, so you can get started right away. So, what does an ultimate AI stack look like for entrepreneurs in 2026? Let's break it down tool by tool, and see how each one can make your business life a whole lot easier. With the right stack, you'll be ready to take on any challenge the future brings. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's everywhere. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives, quietly powering the tools and services we rely on, often without us even noticing. In 2026, businesses big and small use AI every day. Whether you're running a coffee shop, managing a retail store, or building an online brand, AI tools can help you stay ahead of the game and adapt to changes faster than ever before. These tools analyze data in real time, help you talk with customers through smart chatbots, and even predict what your next big move should be. They turn raw information into actionable insights, making decision-making easier and more accurate. Why does this matter? Simple: speed and savings. In a world where time is money, being able to act quickly and efficiently is a game changer. AI tools can work 24/7, never get tired, and make fewer mistakes. That means you can do more with fewer people, and your business keeps running smoothly even after hours. You save money on hiring, and you get faster results. It's like having a team of super smart assistants who are always on the job, handling repetitive tasks and freeing you up to focus on what matters most. For entrepreneurs, this is huge. You might not have the budget of a big company, but with the right AI stack, you can compete like one. The playing field is more level than ever before. You get access to the same kind of smart tech, often at a fraction of the cost. Affordable cloud-based AI solutions mean you don't need a massive IT department to get started. The best part? AI in 2026 is designed for beginners. Most tools guide you step by step, making it easy for anyone to get started, no matter your background. They explain things in plain English and even suggest ways to improve your workflow, boost productivity, and grow your business. So, there's never been a better time to add AI to your business toolkit. Embracing AI now means you're setting yourself up for success in the future. Every entrepreneur knows that time is money. That's where Chrono AI comes in. This tool is like having a personal assistant who never forgets a thing. It schedules meetings, sends reminders, and even blocks out time for deep work or breaks. Chrono AI connects to your calendar, email, and even your favorite to-do apps. It learns your habits, like when you're most productive or when you tend to take breaks. Then, it suggests ways to organize your day for maximum focus. What makes Chrono AI special is its ability to handle surprises. If a meeting gets canceled or something urgent comes up, the AI reshuffles your tasks automatically. No more missed deadlines or forgotten calls. Entrepreneurs like Tom, who runs a consulting business, swear by Chrono AI. He says it helps him get twice as much done without feeling overwhelmed. With your schedule running smoothly, you can focus on growing your business. These days, customers expect quick answers and immediate support, no matter what time it is or where they are. People don't want to wait around for help, they want solutions right away. Slow replies can really mean lost sales, missed opportunities, and even unhappy customers who might not come back. That's where ChatPilot comes in. It's an advanced AI chatbot that answers questions, takes orders, and even solves problems for your customers, all day, every day, without ever needing a break. Plus, it learns from every chat and gets better over time, constantly improving its responses and understanding of your business. Setting up ChatPilot is actually pretty easy and doesn't require any technical skills. You just pick the types of questions your customers usually ask, add your business info, and, well, the AI does the rest automatically. It can handle everything from, "Where's my order?" to "How do I return this?" and even more detailed questions about your products or services. And if something's too complex, ChatPilot simply forwards the chat to a real person, so your customers always get the help they need. This tool helps you stay open for business 24/7, even when you're not at your desk. You don't need a big customer service team anymore, and your customers get instant replies, no matter the hour or day. This keeps them happy, builds trust, and keeps them coming back to your business again and again. Here's a real case. Lisa runs an online clothing shop and was overwhelmed by customer questions. With ChatPilot, she cut her customer emails in half, saving hours every week, and got more 5-star reviews from happy shoppers who love the fast service. That's what happens when you make service fast, easy, and always available. Your business grows and your customers stay loyal. Every business needs new customers. Lead Finder Pro is an AI tool that finds people who are likely to buy from you. It scans social media, forums, and even news sites to spot potential leads. People talking about products like yours or searching for solutions you offer. Here's how it works. You enter some details about your business and your ideal customer. Lead Finder Pro tracks down names, emails, and even social profiles. The AI scores each lead based on how likely they are to become a customer. This tool saves you hours you'd spend searching for prospects. It even suggests how to reach out, like sending a friendly email or connecting on LinkedIn. You get a steady stream of warm leads without cold calling. For example, Ken, who sells fitness gear, used Lead Finder Pro to find gym owners interested in new products. His sales doubled in 1 quarter. That's the magic of AI-powered customer discovery. Now let's see how these tools work together in real life. Imagine you're starting a small online store. You use Genius 2.0 to run your ads and get your name out there. Meanwhile, ChatPilot handles questions from new visitors, even when you're asleep. Chrono AI keeps your schedule in check. You never miss a meeting or forget to send a thank you note. Lead Finder Pro fills your inbox with new potential customers every day. Each tool saves you hours and helps you grow without burning out. Take Maria, who opened a handmade jewelry shop in 2025. She combined these 4 tools. Within a year, she grew from selling on weekends to running her business full-time. She says, "AI lets me do more and stress less. I can focus on what I love." These stories aren't rare. Across industries, AI stacks are turning small ideas into real success. With the right tools, you can do the same. Picking the right AI stack starts with knowing your needs. What takes up most of your time? Where do you want to grow? Make a list of your top business tasks, like marketing, customer service, or finding leads. Then match each task with an AI tool that fits. Don't just pick the hottest tool. Try free trials and see what feels easy to use. Look for tools that work well together. Many AI tools can connect, so data moves smoothly from one to another. This way, you don't get stuck copying and pasting between apps. Another tip: start small. Use 1 or 2 tools first, then add more as you get comfortable. Most AI tools in 2026 are pay-as-you-go, so you can scale up or down based on your needs. Finally, ask other entrepreneurs for advice. Online forums and business groups are full of people who love to share what works. The right stack is the one that fits your business and makes your life easier. AI changes fast. New tools pop up every month. To stay ahead, make it a habit to read up on the latest trends. Subscribe to newsletters, follow tech blogs, or join online groups where people share updates. Most AI tools offer free updates and tips right in the app. Don't ignore these. Try new features as they come out. You might find something that saves even more time or money. Also, attend webinars or local meetups to see what's new. It's smart to set aside a little time each month to review your AI stack. Is there a better tool out there? Are you using everything to its fullest? Keeping your stack fresh means your business stays competitive. Remember, AI is here to help you, not replace you. The best entrepreneurs use these tools to free up their time so they can focus on what matters most. Stay curious, keep learning, and your business will keep growing.